this second game, I'm putting things into order, but like more than one at a time. So I've got to have some way of accounting for that. And I'll just use a sort of tic-tac-toe diagram. 4 architects, 4 projects. Rules, either F or L is with Z, either F or G does project W. If F doesn't do project W, then H does project Y. If H doesn't do project Y, F does project W. So either H is doing Y or F is doing W, or both. F is right before G and H is last. Let's answer questions. A possible matching of architects with project. In answer choice A, you've got F with W and you've got L with X. Neither one of them is with Z. A is wrong. Get rid of it. In answer choice B, you've got G followed by F. Well, that's wrong. F had to be before G. In answer choice C, you've got F doing Z, so not doing W. And yet, H is not doing Y. If F is not doing W, H has to do Y. Get rid of answer choice C. Answer choice D doesn't show any problems. It is acceptable and complete. Answer choice E, on the other hand, has Lee doing W. F or G had to. Get rid of E. Question 8, what could be true? Guerrero's is first and Lee's is second. Guerrero can't be first. F has to be before him. F is third and fourth. No, if F was third, G would be fourth. I've got a thing in my chest. All right, it's okay. Don't panic. Everything's all right. The thing has gone. It's gone. L is first and G is... No, F is before G. Come on. F is second and L is... Come on. Can we have L first and F second? Sure, and then G third. No problem. E is fine. Question 9. If X is last, what has to be false? Okay, well, X is last. We got F and G, and they're either here or I guess they could be here. And then L will be the fourth of them, the fourth one we place. And let's go through our rules. If H is with X, then H is not with Y, which means that F is doing project W. If F is doing W, then he's not doing Z, so L is doing Z. And that leaves G to do project Y. All right, what must be false? W is second. It could be true. W is third. No, Z or Y is third. Question 10. A complete and accurate list of the architects, each of whom could be the architect assigned to X. We have seen from question 7 that Fredericks could be assigned to X. So any complete list must contain Fredericks. Get rid of B, get rid of D. We have seen from question 9 that Hendricks, Horowitz, there's no Hendricks, Horowitz could do X. So any complete list must contain Horowitz. Get rid of answer choice A. That means the answer is either C or E. And so the question is really just, can Guerrero or can Lee? It doesn't matter which one you pick. I'll test Guerrero. H is always last. F, G, L. We'll say, can we do X there? Well, if G is doing X, then F must be doing W. If F is doing W, well, I don't know anything about H and Y. If F weren't doing W, then H would have to do Y. But if F is doing W, I do know that L has to be doing Z, and that means H. Look at that. As it happens, both of those things are happening. F is doing W and H is doing Y. And that's fine. There's no problems with that. Guerrero can do project X, which means that answer choice C is not complete. Answer choice E is our answer, and that leaves only question 11. What cannot be true? W is complete at last. No, W can't be last. W is with F or G. H is last. W can't be with H. That's false, and that's our answer, and that finishes the second game.